Hey everyone, for today's video, we will be showing you how Artisan Gift Collection creates their succulent and cacti arrangements. We'll also show you the different types of styles that we have already made and that are available for purchase.
As time goes by.
Okay, now let's start off with the materials you'll need. First, you'll need some rocks or pebbles, whatever color and style and size you would like. Then we need the plants, the different kinds of cacti, succulents, and other plants that you would like to add to your arrangement. And lastly, we need our soil. So the soil that we have here is a mixture of 3 different kinds. We put 2 parts of cacti and succulent potting mix, 1 part perlite, and 1 part regular potting mix. So the cacti and succulent potting mix was just made specifically for cacti and succulents because they are very draining. Now the first step is to put some soil into the container and pick out some plants you would like to put in them. Now the key here is to pick out plants that all have similar requirements. So for cacti and succulents, they don't need that much watering. They prefer dry soil. So you should definitely pick out plants that also don't like to be watered. It just helps you to maintain and grow the plants much easier, causes less problems as well.
I don't know what you mean, Miss Elsa.
So once you have your plants arranged and organized the way you want, then it's time to proceed with the next step. The next step is to simply put soil in the areas that need more soil in them. It also helps to keep the plants in place, make sure they're not loose, they're not moving around too much. But it's also important not to overload the container with soil. You're going to need some space for other things like rocks and other things you're going to decorate it with. Now it's time to decorate it. You can put as many rocks as you would like. I think the best tip is to make sure you're putting a variety of rocks and pebbles. Maybe choose one with different styles, different colors, and different sizes. I think it just gives it a better look overall.
Been a long time.
Here's my mom just using a little squirting bottle to water the plants. It just helps to make less of a mess, especially in small arrangements like this. And now we're finally done with this arrangement. This one's called Abundance, as it says on the container. You can also put different quotes and words you would like. And now that we know how to make our own succulent arrangement, let's proceed to make our second one.
Been a long time. I don't know what you mean, Miss Elsa.
Oh, we wanted to show you, there's a little baby plant there sprouting on the side. There's also another one right there.
As time goes by. the old songs. For old time's sake.
You can also use a brush to clean out some soil from the leaves and just make everything look a lot neater.
As time goes by.
And we finally finished our second one. This one is called Blessings. It has a really big echeveria or echeveria, however you want to say it, at the very center. That has become the centerpiece.
Some of the old songs.
Now it's time to show you guys the different designs that Artisan has already created, and they're all available for purchase. We have 5 different kinds right now, as you can see. The 4 smaller ones, they are called Blessings. The next one is Happiness. And the next one is, you can write the person who you're going to give it to or your name this beauty belongs to. So it's pretty customized. And the last one is Abundance, the one we made earlier.
For old time's sake.
Now this one is kind of like a broken pot design. There's a tiny house there, a miniature house, and a big boulder that says home. If you would like to purchase any of our succulent arrangements, please message us at Artisan Gift Collection. We have an Instagram and a Facebook. Please check us out there for more products, more dish gardens, more crochet designs.
Some of the old songs.
If you have any inquiries, then we could answer those for you. If you would like to get a custom one made, if you have a design in mind, please let us know. We'll definitely make that for you. And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.